PivotWorks is the original, fast, easy, and complete solution when it comes to rebuilding a dirt bike or ATV chassis or suspension. Each PivotWorks kit comes complete with all the necessary components needed to finish the job without ordering a laundry list of parts. Leaf spring bushings work well with your leaf springs and suspension to support your vehicle, giving you a smooth ride and proper handling. Under constant pressure movement, plus being exposed to harsh elements, these can wear out quickly. PivotWorks leaf spring bushing kits replace the worn-out bushings, restoring that smooth ride and handling. All PivotWorks kits meet or exceed the quality of the OEM parts they replace at a fraction of the cost. Plus, with an industry first-time lifetime replacement program on all their products, PivotWorks has you covered for life. That's right, if you're the original owner and your PivotWorks kit has expired as a result of ordinary wear and tear, you're covered with a free replacement. It's that simple. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit our website at pivotworks.com and fill out that Contact Us form. For quality you can depend on, it's gotta be PivotWorks.